Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola ThinkPhone. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick like mine, and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now wait a few seconds, swipe down notification bar, tap USB drive, enter by files, always, and now you can explore every folder your USB drive has. You can also enter it by going to Files app, browse, and now you can find your pendrive on the bottom of the list. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.